You're installing your pickup truck kit from btslighting.com and it's plug and play. You're happy. You've got your water mowing light, and then you think to yourself, dang, I wish I had bought a second one. Don't worry. Head over to the Glasses Class Gen 2 water mowing light section, and it's this simple. You're going to want to pick up a second bracket to mount your new water mowing light. You're then going to pick the water mowing light of your choice. It can be the same color or a different color. You're then going to pick up a high quality splitter, and you just insert the splitter between the water mowing lights. Now, of course, unless you want your other water mowing light within a 1 foot radius, you're going to want to pick up either the 1 meter or 3 meter extension harness. You add the extension harness to the splitter, you route the new water mowing light wherever on the vehicle you want it, front or back, and just like that, you've now got 2 Glasses Class Gen 2 water mowing lights. It couldn't be easier to give you the best plug and play glass water mowing light kit on the market today. Head over to btslighting.com and check them out for yourself.